Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add a white border to a photo in Canva. If the video works for you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks! Well, the first step would be to click here on Upload Files and select the image you are going to work with. Okay, now select the image and click on Edit. And click on BG Remove. This option is only for Canva Pro users, but don't worry, in the description I leave you a free gift. Okay, once the background of the image has been removed, click on the background, and we will put the color we want. Now click on the image again, and click on Edit. Scroll down and click on Shadows. Here, click on Glow. Put the white color or the one that you want. And copy my settings. Here in size, you can adjust it to your liking depending on how thick you want the white line. If you found the video useful, please leave me a like, a subscribe, and also leave me a shout out in the comments. I really appreciate it. Thank you.